Welcome back to our channel, where we share delicious and nutritious recipes to help you on your journey to achieving your health and fitness goals. Today, we have a special recipe for you that is not only packed with vitamins and minerals, but also aids in fat loss. Our fat loss kiwi spinach cucumber juice. This refreshing and vibrant juice combines the goodness of kiwi, spinach, and cucumber to create a powerhouse of nutrients that will help boost your metabolism and support your weight loss journey. So grab your juicer and let's get started. Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about the amazing benefits of the star ingredients in our fat loss kiwi spinach cucumber juice. Kiwi is a nutrient-dense fruit that is high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. It is known for its ability to aid in digestion, improve skin health, and boost the immune system. Spinach, on the other hand, is a leafy green vegetable that is rich in iron, vitamins A and K, and folate. It is a powerhouse of nutrients that can help improve bone health, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Lastly, cucumber is a hydrating vegetable that is low in calories and high in water content. It is a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help promote hydration, aid in weight loss, and support skin health. By combining these three ingredients in our juice, you'll be providing your body with a plethora of nutrients that will support your overall health and well-being. Now let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need to make our fat loss kiwi spinach cucumber juice. 2 kiwis, peeled and chopped, 1 cup of spinach leaves, 1 cucumber peeled and chopped, 1/2 cup of water. 1. Start by preparing your ingredients. Peel and chop the kiwis and cucumber and wash the spinach leaves thoroughly. 2. Add the kiwis, spinach, and cucumber to your juicer, alternating between the ingredients to ensure an even blend. 3. Turn on your juicer and begin juicing the ingredients. If needed, add water to help facilitate the juicing process and to adjust the consistency of the juice. 4. Once all the ingredients have been juiced, give the mixture a good stir to combine the flavors. 5. Pour the juice into a glass and enjoy it fresh for maximum nutritional benefits. Now, let's give our fat loss kiwi spinach cucumber juice a taste test. The combination of sweet kiwi, earthy spinach, and refreshing cucumber creates a harmonious blend of flavors that is both delicious and invigorating. The juice is light and refreshing, making it the perfect drink to kickstart your day or to enjoy as a midday pick-me-up. With every sip, you'll be treating your taste buds to a burst of flavors that will leave you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. Not only does our fat loss kiwi spinach cucumber juice taste amazing, but it also offers a multitude of benefits for your health and wellness. This juice is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help boost your metabolism, support fat loss, and improve your overall health. The kiwi in the juice is rich in vitamin C, which can help enhance fat burning and promote a healthy immune system. The spinach provides a dose of iron and fiber, which can aid in digestion and support weight loss. The cucumber is hydrating and low in calories, making it a great addition to any weight loss regimen. By incorporating our fat loss kiwi spinach cucumber juice into your daily routine, you'll be giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive and reach your fitness goals. And there you have it, our delicious and nutritious fat loss kiwi spinach cucumber juice. This vibrant and refreshing juice is the perfect way to boost your metabolism, support fat loss, and nourish your body with essential vitamins and minerals. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious drink to enjoy, give our fat loss kiwi spinach cucumber juice a try. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips to help you on your journey to a healthier and happier you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.